nice one. This is a nice one. The boy is good, eh? This girl, you need to see me.
Excuse me, teacher?
Yes?
Oh, I have a question, teacher.
Okay, good boy, good boy. That's why I love you. You have to consult, eh?
So you said
Yes.
that your phone is ringing.
Okay, thanks.
You said that all the reptiles live in water.
Very right.
That is what you said here.
Yes,
But
yes.
but when I was reading, I found that crocodile is a reptile.
Yes.
Monitor lizard is also a reptile.
Very right.
Yeah, but if all reptiles live in water, why is it that monitor lizard is not living in water?
Omari, do you want me to force monitor whatever to live in water? It is a choice. If it cannot live in water, let it live anywhere. Do you get my point? Now, you have come to consult me, right?
Yes.
Why are you not complaining your classmates are not here with you? It is a choice. One thing I know is that all reptiles should live in water. I cannot force monitor lizard to live in water. What is important is that you should know as a student is that all reptiles should be in water. Even if that crocodile you know is going to go away from water, let it go. I don't care. But what you have to know as a student is that all reptiles should be in water. I don't care anything more, anything less. Let it be. Reptiles live in water. Full stop. You get the point? You get what?
A point.
Next time if you come to me with that stupid question, I will work on your buttocks thoroughly. Are you getting me? Go to class.
Thank you, teacher.
You are an idiot. Remember,